Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Windows app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click in this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down, you keep going down here, you come here to Isolines here, of pressure here, you just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean Isolines is here, it's disabled with us now on the map. So that's all you have to do to disable it on your Windows app. That's all. I wish know you I give it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like it, subscribe.